Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Oli Amazing. Thank you for viewing my videos. Thank you for those of you who do subscribe to my channel, and for those of you who have not done that, please subscribe to my channel. And as you do so, may you remember, like, support me guys by subscribing to my channel. Believe me, your subscription means a lot to me. And always remember to like and comment to my video. If you like it or not, feel free to comment. Tell me what you like and tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you think about my videos so far. And as you do that, may God bless you all. This video today will be all about this beautiful wig I'm putting on. It's a wig, it's not my hair. I know it's kind of looking like my real hair maybe, but for me, I just feel like I have my hair, like my real hair, like it's growing from my hair. I didn't make the wig new. It's a wig it's an old wig I have for like 2-3 years, and it was looking old, like some kind of rag, you know. I was kind of thinking I've not worn it for some time because they were not looking nice at all. Even when I try to wash them, anytime I do that, they kind of freeze, and still I still haven't been able to like get the wig back to how it used to be, like getting those coils back. So I decided to like give it a try, like bring that wig back to life. You won't believe it's the wig, believe me, because it was looking like it was really old. Like, if you can remember it, those days, how the wigs, like it was looking like all those days wig, you know, like all those synthetic wig, whereas it's not a synthetic wig, it's a human hair, like it's 100% human. So I just decided to change it to this gorgeous look you're seeing on me. Believe me, I'm really in love with this. So if you really want to see how I achieve this, how I turn this my old wig to this beautiful and new wig, please stay tuned.
Right now, what we're living in is turning to a jungle, because everything we do is for self-purpose.
So this is how the hair is, the wig is, and these are the tools I'll be using: my conditioner, my Leavein, Hairstyles gel, and some duck clips to be holding our hair. So let's get started. And also we'll be needing a hair band.
Never, that's a good rule for this same get called life on earth. Jesus lives in me, he lives in me.
Just go ahead to part my hair to make it more easier, like to work with the portion I want to start with.
And he lives in me, Jesus stays in me.
Like I said before guys, it's an old wig I have had for like 3 years, and as you can see how it's looking, like some kinky straight texture hair, something like that. So we just take a bit, just a little quantity of, a little amount of Hairstyles gel, and start twisting. It's as simple as that, guys.
He lives in me, but the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, he lives in me, he lives in me, and he lives in you. Jesus stays in me.
And don't forget guys, you just need to be like combing through before twisting, just to kind of detangle the hair. That is why we use the the brush to like detangle it, because if you don't do that, you have some hairs that are, and that the hair will get tangled. Let me just put it that way. Again, we'll just go ahead to like spray some leave-in and then brush through it to detangle our hair, and add some eco styler gel, just a little quantity, not much. And you know, one thing I like about the eco styler gel, it does not leave any flick, or what do I call it, does not leave any white residue. Yes. So we just keep twisting.
Yeah, you better watch your back, cause no one can be trusted. There are so many wolves in some sheep clothing. They will end up hauling and tearing you apart. That's why you see these haters moving about like skaters, cause you know their ambition is more than their illusion. Just like the psalmist said, you watch and pray, cause there are so many predators looking.
As you can see, I was kind of looking for a way to make the coil, the twist stay. You know, it's not it's you know, it's human hair, and you know how difficult it is twisting it. You know, it's easy to, not difficult twisting, it's easy to twist, but to leave it to stay twisted, it's always a problem. What I forgot to do was to use to use some what is it called, bobby pin, but unfortunately I wasn't having any. That was why I didn't use a bobby pin on them. So at the end, I kind of discovered another way to do it by twisting it around, after braiding it, forming some kind of, how do I say it, like a bantu knot, something like that, to, in order for the twist to stay like not. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Yes, so this is how I was able to like keep the hair twisted and not to unravel.
Life on earth, Jesus lives in me, He lives in me, He lives in me, and He lives in me. Jesus stays in me, He lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, He lives in you.
Again, we spray our leave-in. The hair was freshly washed, and I didn't you can see the hair is looking dry. That was because I've already washed, and I let the hair to dry first, because anytime I wash the hair, it's always so hard. Like, I need to stay all day washing the wig, like, because I will deep condition and then start detangling it. It always takes like a whole day. So I just, like, I sort of going through the stress of washing and then coiling it this way, I decided to like wash, let it dry before going through this process. I don't know if you guys understand. So, because this was the easiest way I can make it. As you can see, the hair is unraveling because it's 100% human. You can't just manipulate like what is it? They are slippery. The texture is not like a synthetic or chemical in hair that you can just twist and then leave it like that and it will stay. No.
This true story. When there was a robbery in my neighborhood, I thought I would be booked by these same people, but when they finished,
just adding my Eco Styler gel again. You don't need many products on this hair. Just all I used was my Eco Styler and my Leavein. That's it. Nothing nothing more, nothing less, just that. You don't need to go all the way looking for some coiling hair product, like buying some bunch of product. How do I say it? So just two products I use for this: my eco styler and my Leavein.
You know their ambition is more than their illusion. Just like the psalmist said,
As you can see, it's showing white at this point, but guys, don't worry. But before the hair will get dried, everything will disappear. There won't be any white stuffs like you're seeing here. I don't know what it's called.
sisters, just give a little thought, cause my dear Lord J is right beside you now. Jesus lives in me, He lives in me, He lives in me, and He lives in you. Jesus stays in me, He lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, He lives in you, He lives in me, and He lives in you. Jesus stays in me, He lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. The world we're living in is turning to a jungle, cause everything we do is for self-purpose. No love in this world, no care anymore.
Some people do a 3-strand twist for this how do I say it, for this method I'm doing, like that is to keep the wig twisted and like to revive the coils, the wig, or what do I call it. But I tried doing the 3 strands twist, and it was hell difficult. I know with time, if I try it a couple of times, I would have been able to like get it perfectly, but there was no time for me, there was no much time, so I just decided to do just 2 strands twist, and believe me, I love the outcome of the hair. It was looking great, and it turned out to look great. Yes.
Stays in me, He lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Special thanks to God. Special.
And after all, I just let the I left the wig to dry for all day. I let it dry for, let's say, till the next day. Yes, I let it dry for till the next day, and then I was too busy. There was no time for me to like unravel it. I just left it there till the second day, guys. But believe me, one day it's enough. One day it's enough, depending on how big or tiny the parts, the twists are. So for me, one day was enough, but due to the fact that I was kind of busy, there was no time for me to like do a video of the finished look, so I decided to like leave it there because I'm not it's not on my head, and the calls are already made, so that is it. As you can see, guys, this is the 3rd day. Yes, like I said, I let it dry for 2 days. The second day was dried already, but there was no time. So, and this is the 3rd day. This is me just unraveling it. I just added a little amount of oil to unravel it, just like so. As you can see, the coils are coming out pretty well. Like, I love the coils, they're nice.
Right now, your best friend could be your worst nightmare. You better watch your back, cause no one can be trusted. There are so many wolves inside.
And guys, you need to be careful when unraveling the twist. If not, you will end up making it to look so bulky, like too, I don't know how to say it, but for me, I just, after unraveling it, I just like separated them in 4 or something like that, like you see me too. So
cause my dear Lord J is right beside you now. Jesus lives in me.
and that was all for this, all I did for this week. As you can see how nice it turns out from that ugly looking wig, and voila, this is the final look of my wig, and it's really beautiful, guys. I love it. Thank you guys for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video as well. I love you. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and see you guys next time.
Though you see times like a stone throw, never ever